Hilda just did it again. The popular Nigerian chef known for breaking the Guinness World Record for the longest marathon cooking just broke another record. Guess what? She just cooked the largest pot of jollof rice in the whole world. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the highlights of the event. Come along with me.
At this moment is because that once I am done washing the interior bit of the pot and I've gotten rid of all the liquid, I'm going to rinse it again, and I have brand new mop sticks, and I promise you I'm going to wash it, sanitize it with my Viva, of course. So guys, as you can see, my pot is clean thanks to my Viva, and I want you guys to observe that I washed this entire pot with just half of this Viva. A little goes a long way.
What is a Jollof?
For the night of history. Everybody, can you scream here?